Welcome to the Urban Homeschooler channel, where I simplify homeschooling. This is video number 5 in my beginner series, so be sure to watch the previous videos if you want to learn what it takes to start homeschooling. Just like anything else you do, homeschooling is more effective with the right tools. In this video, we'll go over the best tools and resources to help make your homeschool journey smoother. First is the essential supplies. You'll need notebooks and binders to organize work and keep records, a whiteboard and dry erase markers to explain concepts visually, some basic art supplies like colored pencils, glue, scissors, and construction paper, and you can use timers to keep lessons focused and prevent burnout. Next up is educational resources. There are endless homeschool resources available, but some of the best ones are as follows. khanacademy.org for free lessons in math, science, history, and more. readworks.org for free reading comprehension resources. mysteryscience.com for fun interactive science lessons. And duolingo.com, which has free language learning for all ages. And if you're creative like I am, you can create your own resources using Canva. The next websites aren't free, but they're worth it. timeforlearning.com offers an online curriculum with interactive lessons. outschool.com offers live online classes on every subject imaginable. teacherspayteachers.com has affordable worksheets and lesson plans. And education.com has thousands of printable worksheets, lesson plans, and interactive games for pre-K through 5th grade. Finally, some fun extras that enhance learning are documentaries and podcasts, which are great for history and science lessons. And subscription boxes like KiwiCo for STEM or Bookaroo for reading. Using a mix of digital and traditional resources keeps learning dynamic and engaging. Learn more by going to urbanhomeschooler.online, where you can purchase my ebook, From Chaos to Confidence, Mastering the Art of Homeschooling. It's a step-by-step guide for beginner homeschooling parents, and shop the Urban Homeschooler store. That's all for this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, and share with someone that you know is curious about homeschooling. Until next time.